Okay, so I am making deep conditioner, DIY deep conditioner. My hair loves avocado and bananas. So sometimes I use it separately, sometimes I mix, but personally I love mixing it together because like you don't have time, I don't have time to today I make this one, or this week I make avocado, next week I make bananas. No, I love to mix everything together. So this is the avocado. Now I'm going to put bananas. These bananas are not so good, but my hair loves bananas too. You know, when you are trying the natural treatments, you need to listen to your hair. And what you see that your hair loves a lot, you stick to that one. So I can skip other treatment, but this one is my favorite because when I put bananas, my hair feels nice, soft. And when I put the avocados, it also feels soft, and also it gives it volume. So now here I've got bananas and avocado. What I'm going to add is now herbs. When it comes to herbs, you put your favorite. Please come closer. When it comes to herbs, you put your favorite. You don't need to put everything that I have here. I'm putting everything because I have it available. There are times that some of them finish and I can only use 1 or 2 or 3. But when I have all of them, I use a teaspoon of each. So it is important to have some herbs that are good for hair growth. All the herbs that I have here, let's start. Here we have fenugreek, very good for hair. We have stinging nettle, very good for hair. This is shea powder, very good for hair. Guava leaves, very good for hair. Rosemary, very good for hair. Black seed, very good for hair. Hibiscus, my favorite, very good. My favorite herbs are hibiscus, fenugreek, and black seed, and stinging nettle. So even moringa and neem too, they are my favorite because these ones are available everywhere. So when you have money, you go to the shops where this is moringa powder, this is moringa still, this is neem. And so to my mask, I'm gonna put a teaspoon of each. I love making this deep conditioner. So we are going to go in with fenugreek powder and stinging nettle. Very, very good for hair. I love it. And then shea powder. And moringa powder. Neem, this is neem. Black seed. This is black seed. This is how it looks like. Hibiscus. Guava leaves. You can also make tea. You take a teaspoon of each. You make tea. You make hair tea, and you put in your spray bottle and you spray every day. I always do that. It's only that my spray bottle is broken, so I don't have it these days. But when I have a spray bottle, I always combine again these herbs in hot water, and I make tea. I make my hair tea that I can spray on my hair every day. Now we are going to blend this. So I'm putting some water in here so we can blend. So I'm also going to add about a teaspoon of honey. If you have honey in the house, it is also good for your hair. When you are making your homemade hair mask, you put some honey. So there's no magic when it comes to taking care of our natural hair. You need to make some effort. This takes me some effort. Even though today I was supposed to make this mask since yesterday, but I was very lazy to do it. But today I said I will force myself because I washed my hair yesterday and I haven't put anything. So I'm going to make a deep conditioner and put, let's blend. Let me put some more water. Not sitting well. Okay, this is the mixture. If you don't feel comfortable using it like this, you can strain it with a cloth, but personally I don't mind. I just use it this way. Then after I rinse my hair, I don't put anything inside my hair. I just leave until my hair dry. Once my hair is dry, then I can dust out all any pieces of the herbs. So this is it. This is gonna be enough for my hair and for my daughter's hair. You just blend it very smoothly. Sometimes I mix it with my deep conditioner that I sell, but I will see if I have to mix that or not. Otherwise, not everyone have my deep conditioner, but I just wanted to show you how I make my deep conditioner. When I have time and strength, I make this at least once a week. When I don't have, I make it at least once after 2 weeks. Okay, it's not like everyone has time for hair every day, but once in a while you treat your hair, you give your hair some care like this. You will see it growing and glowing and becoming soft and easy to manage. Okay. So my hair is clean. I washed it yesterday night and you can see it is dry. I did not put anything. So when you are using deep conditioner, you need to make sure that your hair is clean. Yeah. But I don't always wash my hair when I'm using deep conditioner, because sometimes, like the way I'm doing, if I want to do it again next week, I will use it again without washing my hair. But when you feel like the hair is very dirty, you need to wash it before you apply the deep conditioner. You don't apply deep conditioner when your hair is very dirty. You apply deep conditioner on clean hair, then you rinse. After this, I'm going to rinse it out. I might not show you the video when I'm rinsing, but what I'm going to do after this is I'll just put a shower cap for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or 1 hour, or 2 hours. It depends. These are natural treatments, so there's nothing to fear. But it's not like it's chemicals that you shouldn't leave it on your hair for a very long time. So after that, I rinse, then I can apply my hair food. Remember to pause. Remember to zoom the hair. You come close, you can stand up. You come close to those strands. You think it's dark?
No, I think it's just fine.
One to 10, can you pause? When is my hair looking nice?